Okay guys, so welcome to another video. I actually forgot to start the vlog and it just so happened that somebody ran in the back of the car. Oh gosh. That made not proper disbelief. Me, I wonder what the hell was that. I'm kind of understand the jerk leap me, my fling back on my seat. No, this is crazy. In the middle of traffic too. It's not like we were driving fast or anything like that. Ah, this white Betty. My head.
On my break. Thank y'all. Sorry for wasting y'all's time.
It's okay?
Yeah. That's why that's such a snow, man.
Yeah, I can already listen now for true. That's fine.
Some people want to pick up people.
It's gonna be okay. Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Okay, we in Sephora. Ah, damn. Hi. So I'm looking for a foundation. Is it possible I could get recommended one and test one?
Yeah. What's your skin type? Are you oily?
Oily.
Okay. Did you have a certain foundation, a certain brand you wanted to try, or kind of open to whatever?
Open.
Okay. So I'll just pull you a few. Yeah, so let's just try these.
Okay. Okay, so I'm in Sephora trying on foundation. This side is kind of fancy. It's a little dark, and over here, but I doubt y'all can see it good. Alright guys, so I got the makeup from Sephora. Alright, my whisper has to feel weird. Anyways, I'm gonna come back and see if I can find anything else that I like. Alright, I took up one of those already. So it's time to go dress. It's time to go dress shopping, guys. Yes. Oh, this vlog is probably all over the damn place. I need to ask somebody where the dress is. Hi, you work here?
Yes, ma'am.
Where could I find some formal dresses? I need to find a dress to go to a wedding.
Oh, right through Mills, and then go to Juniors.
So go back down.
Go back one department, and walk straight up.
Okay.
And you'll see them on the left.
Okay. All right. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Alright, so I'm gonna see if I can get a dress in here. If not, there's more options. I'm definitely gonna get the 2 makeup things. I can work with that. I may get some disposable sponge because I like how that sponge worked on my face. But yeah, so yeah, this is my first day here. Hopefully, things get better because still a little traumatized, but like, yeah, I have to get over it. Over here. Oh wait, did I go too far? Let's see. I'm actually kind of liking the dresses. That the first one, it's pretty nice. These are, let me turn the camera. These are a bit plain. I don't think she wants me in something like this. I like this. Call my mother. Okay. These ain't bad. I don't know. I think she was saying, I'm not sure what to do. Alright. Burlington. So I'm heading inside of Burlington now to see if I can get it. Oh, what them people are doing? Yo, them just trying to rat it couple me down, Anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get the local bag because I'm not walk up and down with this in my hand for the rest of my life. And see if I can get the dress. Oh yeah, I need some undergarments as well. So let the shopping begin. Or resume, I should say. Yep, the bag them there right here, so. Look like me alone care about germs though still, you know. Anyways, these prices $13. You know, you don't look too bad. You know, I'm just cheap. As we see the price. Choose them? Alright. Um.
Girl, I got a question for you. Can I get an answer? Yeah, 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 yeah. Girl, I got a question for you. Can I get an answer? Yeah, 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 yeah. She only love me 'cause I'm dangerous. Ooh yeah, ooh yeah. That boom boom, something like angel dust. She gotta let me hold ya, put me things all around ya, make me feel like I hold ya, kill it boom like a warrior, get that boom like no letting go, no holding back, because you are my lady. When I'm with you, it's all of that. Girl, I'm so glad we made it out. No letting go, no holding back, because you are my lady. When I'm with you, it's all of that. Give me one every Lord, yeah, put me arms right now.
So guys, I've been doing a hell of a shopping, you know. So I was looking for the dress and it's a no. Big no. It looked good. I was looking just on it, so but on me, I like it. It's not for me. No, this one it's not it. I was so happy. I was like, I found the dress and the slippers to go with it, but still have much more to do. Yeah guys, I know I have not picked up a camera in a long while, so you know, kind of piece, but we're there. I'm gonna get these pants, kind of work friendly, casual. I'm gonna check out now, so I'm gonna see a cash register. I got my shopping cart down to this. Yo, America not cheap, you know, add up all of this. America don't cheap, and tax not included, you know, but it's alright. I want to things them, so I'm gonna try and pick them line for the third time, cause every minute I can come out. First time I have to try to get somebody to go to the bar, no, the dressing room, and then now I need to add up, so I came out one more time. How much is 4 days? I need a hot glue gun. What? $7.99. I want this, but guess what? When we get the other things, them we buy it. I'm thinking about making. I'm going to make a backdrop.
You say you got a man, girl, he ain't me, and if he ain't me, you ain't got a man. You tell me he's reckless, you say that he's selfish, you know that I'm jealous. You're getting all of your love, you just don't get enough, girl, you need a real man. Yeah. Hanging out the back all over your lap, like is you out with him, I don't wanna know that.
Got a whole piece of the wood to her,
so I could tell your man, what do you want? Your girl is your girl, but man, your girl's gonna be mine soon. Your girl tells her girl she wants to be mine too. Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, maybe I could just slide through the weekend. And when that Monday comes, I'm a new man, oh. So pack up all your things.